Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a gamer eager to unlock new content, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to redeem an EA Origin code in 2025. With EA's platform possibly evolving, I'll walk you through the latest steps to make this super easy and hassle-free. Let's get started. First off, grab your EA Origin code. It's that unique string of letters and numbers you got from a purchase, promo, or gift. Make sure it's valid for 2025, codes can expire, so double-check that. Step 1. Open the EA app on your PC or head to the EA website at www.ea.com. EA has streamlined things, so this should be straightforward. Step 2. Log in to your EA account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly, it's free and only takes a minute. Use your email and password to get in. Step 3. Once logged in, navigate to the Redeem Code section. Look for it in the top menu, under your profile, or in the Store tab. EA's interface is user-friendly, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Step 4. Enter your code into the provided field. Be careful with capitalization and any special characters to avoid errors. Step 5. Hit the Redeem button. You'll see a confirmation message if everything goes smoothly, and your game or content will be added to your library. Finally, go to your game's library to download and play. If you run into any issues, like an invalid code, check EA's help page or contact support, they're pretty responsive. There you have it, folks. Redeeming your code is quick and gets you back to gaming in no time. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.